How to redeem Airbnb promo code. Open a preferred browser and in the search bar search for Airbnb/gift. You will land in this homepage of Airbnb where you can redeem your gift card. In this dialog box, enter your gift card PIN that will be printed on your gift card. Once you enter it here, just tap on Redeem Gift Card. Make sure to enter your gift card PIN correctly. If your gift card is not being redeemed, you can just go ahead and tap on Airbnb gift card terms. Check if you have followed all of the terms and conditions of Airbnb gift card. Once you give it a read, again go back and try to redeem your gift card once again. You can also use your Airbnb promo code by entering your Airbnb application or through your web page. Log in to your Airbnb. You have to book a stay or an experience using your Airbnb, and when you are checking out, you will find a promo code dialog box. You can use or you can enter the PIN of your gift card right there in the dialog box, and the promo code will simply be applied to your next stay. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for tuning in.